goodness, you can't wait to open present? Mama's got to go feed your kitty friends. The man actually knocked today, and and Remy can't wait. Said, Mama, I can't wait. I want to open present. Okay, we're going to open present, okay? Hold on. Happy birthday, dear Remy boy. Love from Carla Worden. Oh, that's so nice. Look what Miss Carla sent you. Cat wine. You got red and you got white wine. We'll have to try that when I get back from feeding your kitty friends. Okay? Okay? Here. Look at that. Oh my goodness. You want to see? Huh? You want to see? Here we go. Okay. Wine. Which wine? We're going to do, when Mama gets back, you can try one. Which one you want to try? The red wine or the white wine? He was meowing at me. I said, well, open it when I get back. And he started to look like he was pouting. Silly kitty. Okay. Non-alcoholic, filtered water, salmon oil, organic catnip. And that one is filtered water, salmon oil, and organic catnip, glycerin, invert sugar, vegetable juice, citric acid, potassium does it say hydroxide, non-alcoholic wine. It's cat wine. It's nothing in there bad for them. Burgundy, and the white one is called Meowsling. So cute. Look at that. Thank you, Carla. We're going to try it when I get back. Okay. PetWinery.com, established 2016. Come here. Drink responsibly. Responsibly. You gotta drink responsibly. Come here, Remy. Why are you going outside? Okay, let me go get him. Come here. Drink some.
Hey, I just planted a patient treatment 3 for you. Sydney, right? I was about to head in there. All right.
You don't drink some wine. You don't want it? Oh my goodness. You want to try to see if the white wine is good?
It's just I know something about Sydney. She has a reputation of being a bit of a grifter. She got arrested for solicitation last year. Sympathy for the
Come on. Let's try some white wine. Here. I'm just going to put a wiggle in there this time. Come here. Look. Look. Come here and try it. Maybe you'll like the white wine better. Here you go. Excusing. And will you please come here? Look, Miss Carla got that for you. Come here. Come on. Get you some. I'm sorry, Carla. I'll give Dottie some and see if she likes it. And the stray cats. I'll pour it over their food. Maybe they'll like it. Excuse. Come here. Drink it. Come here, drink some. Come here and drink some. Try Yum yum. Nummy nummies. Drink some. You don't want to drink it? Miss Carla sent that to you. Say thank you, Miss Carla.
When I ask myself that question, the answer
But I'll give it to my kitty friends. You're not a wine drinker?
could you have been
You don't want to drink?
to Lucy
It's kitty wine.
for you?
No alcohol.
What I suspected. Sepsis. From the little history I got from her, I'm guessing it started as a kidney or urinary tract infection.
Okay, well, I guess he's not going to drink it.
Bumps me up the list. Oh, come on, Maggie.
Sorry, Miss Carla.
Get it